There we go. Oh my gosh. Nope. Hello. Oh god. Almost fell. I just feel good about this take. So, the world's crazy. We're all aware of that. And I want to do my part because my godmother inspired me. Oh, love you guys. I was on a nature walk today and I really wanted to come up with a meditation to help the earth because, again, everything is pretty crazy right now. We're all aware of it. So, there's these giant trees. And trees to me are big brothers. I've had many experiences with trees. Yes, I'm a tree talking hippie. What's up, baby? But you're watching meditation to help the earth, so I don't think we're that much different. I put myself like a trance-like state and just kind of put my body language out as I'm exposing myself to it, to show myself that I want to work with it. After a little bit, I put my right hand and I said, please use all the resources that you can to help me come up with a meditation to help the earth. It was more along those lines. I can't remember exactly what I said, but that was my intention. As I left that tree, I took my hand off and started walking toward the field nearby. I started to sing. O mala he sa o he ya, o ma se, om ha se, om ha se. Now, I'm no opera singer, but I do like to sing. And I just kept saying, Om Ha Se, Om Ha Se, as I started walking out to the field. And then things got very fun. So, this is a meditation. As I sat down, I let myself relax. It doesn't really matter what position you are. You can be laying down, sitting, or on your knees, just whatever's most comfortable for you. Now, out in front of me, I started projecting all the beautiful experiences I've had in nature since I was little, looking up at the sky and just appreciating the sunset, the clouds, looking at the trees and flowers around me, the brilliant colors, the way that the light reflects off the grass when it's wet, the way that the earth feels, the way that the oxygen feels in my lungs, just really appreciating and just projecting it out into this giant ball in front of me. Now, remember, Mother Earth doesn't care about the size of the gift, she cares about the intention. So after projecting out everything of this huge ball of light, I condensed it into this little marble and I sent it down into the earth. This was a gift from Mother Earth in hopes that she will reciprocate her love for me. Now, if you do this genuinely, she will. After a little bit of time, staying in that trance-like state, you'll notice an energy enter you from the bottom. Don't control it. This is Mother Earth sending her love to you. Now, after you've noticed this and you're not controlling the energy, start focusing your love for this experience that you have, the fact that you're a consciousness, the understanding you have that you are one with everything, the stars, how you are made up of literal star dust, the fact that we are all just vibrating atoms, just your gratefulness for everything else, the cosmos, the fact that you understand this knowledge. Project that out just as you did for Mother Earth and condense it into a little marble, send it up, and watch it explode and just transmute all this beautiful white light out into the universe. Now, you wait as the cosmos reciprocates that through your crown chakra. You'll feel the energy come in. Don't play with it. Again. Now, this is where Om Ha Se comes into play. When we speak, we vibrate our body, and our chakras are aligned on our spine. Depending on what we say and where the resonation is coming from, whether it's through our chest, our throat, or through our head, we can affect what energies we're using. So, when I say Om, it's going to be vibrating the lower three chakras. Now, when I think Om, I think home. 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 And when I'm thinking home, I think of that safety, that health that we're all seeking, that mental, emotional stability, that beautiful, flourishing health. Now, when you have health and stability in these lower three chakras, which is really what you're trying to find, literally, you help stabilize those. But I want you to think health when you say then you go ha, almost like ha, when you're super happy and you have an abundance of happiness, so you have to express it out onto others. That's what I want you to think, abundance. Ha, like ha. Then we're gonna go say Om Ha Se, like sacred, But I want you to think unity, because unity is a sacred relationship between people. The unity we have with all these other beings is very sacred. We need to acknowledge that. And we need to give an abundance of health to this sacred unity, because it's only through this abundance of health that every part of this unity can flourish. So, Om, health, Ha, abundance, Se, unity. And when you go Om, it's going to be resonating lower. You're going to go Ha. You're going to notice it's coming from your chest, your heart chakra. Now you're Ha, 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 love, your heart chakra. Se, it's going to be vibrating up here, more in your crown, your third eye, and your throat. Those are more to deal with the spiritual realm, the part that really connects us with everything else. Not to say that your other chakras don't, but at least that's usually what I associate those three chakras with. But you go Hum, Ha, Se, and you feel the vibrations raise from the bottom to the middle to the top of your spine, over and over and over and over again. And this unity you have with the cosmos and the earth, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking that love from Mother Earth. You're going to be filling it with the intention of health and an abundance of health. And then you're going to be shooting it out the top of your head with unity. Om, Ha, Se, Om, Ha, Se, Om, Ha, Se, Om, Ha, Se. Oh, 1 second. I'm sorry, I just got these sudden cravings for noodles, so I need to figure out why I'm craving them. So I bought some. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, projecting it out, sacred unity. Yes. Okay, cool. Now, you can also go Om, Ha, Se, but you can also go Se, Ha, Om, and bring that cosmic energy down into the earth and try and heal it in that way by filling it with the sacred unity and abundance of it, and lastly filling it with health, and then sending it out to the earth to help her heal and to in turn help heal us and everyone else. And I just did this over and over and over again, and honestly it was super fun. I felt great, and actually when I finished I bursted out laughing because I couldn't believe it. Like it was gorgeous, it was amazing. And now here's what's really cool. When you're saying Om, Ha, Se, when you put yourself in that trance-like state, you feel the vibrations of your words a lot more. Now, when you go Om, Ha, Se, when you say Se, you can actually feel it vibrate your arms and come up and actually right here, shoot out the energy. Travels along your arm and just... At the same time, you can go Se, Ha, Om, and you can feel the vibrations go from your hands all the way down into your chest as you go Ah, Ha, and then Om, down into your lower spine, and then down into the earth. And remember, you're going to be playing with intentions a lot throughout this. Always health, Ha, abundance, Se, unity. Health, abundance, unity. An abundance of health, an abundance of unity, and just project it all out there, baby, because we are beautiful vibration machines, and when we're open to helping and open to teamwork and community, you'd be surprised the magic that happens. So I'm gonna end it there. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys can pull something from this and join in with me. So everyone, let's go Om, Ha, Se together. Om, Ha, Se. All right, peace.